Hey folks, welcome to the Dollars and Decisions channel, your go-to spot for mastering money. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can start building passive income with just $100 in 2025. If you've ever wondered how to make money while you sleep, this video is for you. We'll break down 5 simple and proven strategies that will help you get started with passive income, whether you're a beginner or just looking for new ways to grow your wealth. So, let's dive in. First up, investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly, just for holding them. This is one of the easiest ways to build passive income because once you invest, you sit back and collect the dividends. For just $100, you can buy shares in companies like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, or AT&T, known for paying solid dividends. While your dividends may start small, reinvesting them will help your income grow over time. So, investing in dividend stocks allows you to earn passive income while your money works for you. Next up, high-interest savings accounts. If you're looking for a low-risk way to earn passive income, this is one of the simplest methods. Many online banks now offer high-yield savings accounts with interest rates higher than traditional banks. With just $100, you won't make a fortune, but it's still a smart way to park your money. For example, if you put your $100 in an account with an interest rate of 1.5%, you would earn $1.50 in interest over a year. It's not huge, but it's a start, and with regular deposits, your savings will grow. Another great way to build passive income is through peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. With $100, you can spread your investment across multiple loans, each with different interest rates, ranging from 5% to 12% annually. While higher returns come with more risk, peer-to-peer lending offers the chance to grow your $100 and earn interest on it. This is a smart option for diversifying your passive income sources. Next, let's talk about real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs allow you to buy shares in large real estate portfolios, without needing to own physical property. With $100, you can invest in REITs like Vanguard Real Estate ETF or Realty Income Corporation, both known for their regular payouts. REITs are a great way to earn passive income from rental properties and property sales profits. And the best part? You can start with just $100 and benefit from the value of real estate without the hassle of managing property yourself. Finally, let's talk about creating and selling digital products. Digital products, like ebooks, courses, or templates, can generate passive income every time someone buys them. With $100, you can invest in tools to create a personal finance ebook, a money-saving checklist, or an online course. Websites like Udemy, Teachable, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to create and sell digital products. Once you create your product, it can keep selling for years to come, providing you with passive income every time someone purchases it. So, there you have it. 5 ways to start building passive income with just $100 in 2025. Whether you're investing in dividend stocks, using high-interest savings accounts, getting involved in peer-to-peer lending, purchasing REITs, or creating and selling digital products, there are plenty of opportunities to make your money work for you. The key is to start small and be consistent. With time, your $100 can grow into a reliable source of passive income. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.